Hello and welcome to the channel. I am in the car. I just finished running some errands this morning. It's early Saturday morning and I just got a phone call. My ChipDrop is at the house. Whoop whoop! I have been waiting for weeks to receive my ChipDrop and I am so excited. So now I'm gonna go to the house and start working in the garden. Just in case you did not know, and I'll put some information below, if you're looking for some free wood chips that can be delivered to you from your local area by arborists who cut down trees, I will put that information in the description box below. But you must understand that in receiving these wood chips, you don't get an option of what type of wood you get, nor do you get an option of when you will be receiving these wood chips. It could take anywhere from 1 to 5 weeks to receive these wood chips. I've been waiting over a month to receive these wood chips, or roughly a month. And so I don't know what type of tree was cut down. There will probably end up being some logs in there because they say on their website that if you accept logs, that they will be able to send you or bring you the wood chips a lot faster. So I went ahead and accepted some logs. Man, this road is raggedy. Did you feel that? Oh my goodness. I'm on the back streets, y'all. I'm on the farm road. So anyway, I'm trying to hurry up and get to the house to see what they brought me. My mom told me that the driveway is full of wood chips and I'm excited. I'm so excited. Things are coming together, y'all. So let's go to the house and let's see what kind of ChipDrop I got today. Look, y'all, baby cows. This is what I see when I go home, baby cows. Hey everybody, just got back to the house and can you see? I'm trying to, I guess I'm gonna have to walk on my new grass. Can you see the mound of wood chips I have? Look at the wood chips. So excited. I have a lot of work to do, so let me get at it. It's been a long day and I've made a really good first step of putting in my free wood chips from ChipDrop. As you can see, I've gotten it down all the way from the gate, which is where I started from, into the interior of the garden. Now, as you can see here, I have some chairs, my fire pit, and some flowers making a somewhat of a circle. This is where I'm going to have my fire pit area. This is where, and this looks like a hot mess, so give it time. This is where I'm going to have my dining table, my outdoor dining table, and my grill. I'm going to be laying some paver stones over here, so I'm not going to be putting wood chip in this area. So right now I'm just moving as many pots as I feel I need to over here to get them out of the way and to mark out where I want my pavers to be. I have put up my cattle panel. I need to secure them in with the rebar. I put up the shade cloth today. So this is all I've been able to accomplish. Over in this area, I will be putting up my greenhouse. So that's going to be getting a paver stone base. So I'm not going to be putting wood chips over in this area, but I have marked it out. I'm going to leave up my smaller greenhouse. It's going to be towards the back of my greenhouse that I'm going to put right here. I'm just going to turn it around and utilize it. Basically, I'm going to butt them up together and I'm going to still utilize this one for as long as I can and put up the new one. Wood chip along the back of the garden. As you can see here, hopefully you can see it. Again, this is the area here where I will be putting up the greenhouse. That's why I moved the pots and the tomato cages over here. I still have yet to do this side of the garden, but it's been a really long day and I'm exhausted. I need to have a little bit of dinner and get some rest because I'm tired. And oh, by the way, I'm feeling a little pain. This is laborious work. Don't let anybody tell you that laborious work is easy. It is not. When you see somebody who works outdoors and that's what they do for a living, give them some grace, especially if they're working on projects for you. It takes a lot of man hours, a lot of sweat equity to do stuff outside. And this has been very hard on all of us today. This has been a family effort, getting this in, and we are beat down. So this is what it looks like right now. I could not show you us getting our hands dirty and shifting all of this because it just takes a lot of time, and I wanted to get as much of this in. So I'm not going to show you us moving it. I may try to put in a little clip of me dumping some in, but for right now I'm just trying to get it off of the driveway and get it into the back garden so that I can start setting up the back garden and getting ready to fertilize so that I can start growing. Now over towards the back side of the house, that's going to be the paved area. That's where we're going to have our dining area, our outdoor dining, outdoor barbecue area, outdoor just sitting and relaxing, as well as our outdoor fire pit, which is going to be over here. We will have two areas that will be an area where we will have fire. I have a fire pit here. I also have a chimney that's going to go over there. But for right now, I'm going to call it a night. I want to say thank you for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed this video. You know what? I'm going to do my best to come back tomorrow, so I'm not going to end it right here. I was going to end it right here, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to come back tomorrow, so stay tuned, and hopefully tomorrow all the rest of this will have wood chip, and I'll be able to start actually putting the garden together. But before I do that, let me show you. My spouse is going to be building me a garden shed, she shed type of situation, and I want to put it right in this area right here. So I'm going to mark this area out tomorrow. Right now I just have my tires down here. I'm going to mark this area out tomorrow, and we're not going to put wood chips here. So it should not take us very long to get the rest of the wood chips in this area over here, because they're not all going to be filled. It's not going to be all filled in. This area is going to be a shed. So right now, this is what I have, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Here is the remaining progress. I hope you all can see. It is dark outside, and we've come to the end of another day's work in the garden. I can't go too much further because you all probably won't be able to see, but I'm hoping you can see that this side has wood chip down in the areas where I want wood chip to go. This area over here is going to be a paved patio. Sorry if I'm going too fast. I hope I'm not making anyone dizzy. This area with all the pots on is going to be a paved shed. So I showed you during the day when we finished that section that was done, and this is the remaining section, and the back is done as well. So we still have a ton of wood chips to go. This is just the preliminary. The plan is to take all of the remaining wood chips, bag up as many as I can so that I have wood chip to use in the garden. Put more wood chip down so I can have a good 3 to 5 inches of wood chip on the ground. And if there are any more wood chips left over, put a huge pile of wood chips in the corner and use them as I need to use them. So I want to say thank you so much for joining me on this project. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. Until the next time, I hope you guys have a great evening, great day, great whatever time of the day it is for you. We're exhausted. We're going to call it a night. Have a bite to eat. So I'll see you either in the kitchen or the garden real soon. Bye for now.